Hey, what's going on guys? In today's video I'm going to show you what you can do with this cheap flashlight from Amazon. I bought this flashlight here on Amazon for about 10 euros. And the first impression was pretty good. I mean, I used it to, walk outside in the forest and for astrophotography. And I was wondering, what about if you use this light for video production? And then I noticed that the CRI level, according to the datasheet, is about 80. So it doesn't make sense to use this light. But what about if you are able to change the chip in the inside? So, and this is what we're gonna do. So this is this cheap flashlight here I bought from Amazon. I'm using the one from Shadowhawk. You don't have to buy this specific brand. I'm not getting paid by Shadowhawk, but it came with a nice clamp, so you're able to mount it to a pole or bar or something. Usually the flashlights, they have this built-in Cree chip. So this is the manufacturer of this kind of a heat sink with the LED SMD chip on it. So you gotta make sure that the flashlight you purchase has this Cree chip. I was searching the internet for a long time, and then finally I went to this page, mauser.de. I will put the link down in the description below. And on this page you are able to purchase the SMD element with 90 CRI 3000 Kelvin for €3.89. That's perfect. Just take some tweezers and unscrew this copper ring until the chip himself gets loose. Take out the insulation washer. Don't throw it away, please keep it, it's very important. And then you have access to the chip himself, and you see the cables plus and minus. And finally, the tricky part, of course, you gotta take a soldering iron and detach the plus and minus wire from the chip himself. Then you take a heat gun, heat up the chip, take the tweezers again, remove the old SMD element, and put the new one with the right polarity back on. That's it, pretty much. Put the plus and minus wires back on. Put the insulation washer back in, this is very important, and also reattach the copper ring, and you're done. The light is really versatile and it's cheap. For 20 euros it creates a nice beam and it's really strong. With my light meter I received a reading about f11, and for a small light like this, for this price, I mean, that's a no-brainer. Now you know exactly what you can do with a cheap flashlight like this. I'm using a flashlight right now to power up this softbox here. The only downside though is that you can't dim it. You can't. It has different steps and different settings built in. There's one for SOS and one for just blinking, and 3 different brightness levels. But I noticed if you use the second and the third one, it starts to flicker inside of your camera because of the shutter speed. So really can't use the dim function, the built-in dim function. Everything what you need for this build, I put it in the description below. Please subscribe for my channel, and if I get some good feedback, maybe I do some more video things. So have a good one. I think that's it then, I guess. See you.